Hey, it's James here from Guitarist.com, and welcome back to 30 Days of Guitar. Today is day 20. We are 2/3 of the way through our journey into starting guitar the right way and building up that solid foundation. Today, we're going to take a break from chords and strumming. We've been really doing a ton. There's so much that we've been doing this week. Let's have some fun. Let's play the melody from Stand By Me, and we're going to use it to help us learn how to maybe sing the right notes and do a bit more of that. We're just going to have a bit of a relaxing lesson today. If you haven't done so, please grab your copy of my free ebook, as it has so many things in it that apply to what we're doing in these 30 days, and that way you'll have some printable material. I also have my complete beginner course if you would like to go deeper into the, building up that solid foundation so that you'll be able to branch out wherever you would like to go with guitar. Anyways, the melody for Stand By Me goes like this. And this melody, as far as the rhythm is concerned, definitely has some twists and turns. And what I want to do today is work on our rhythm as far as that melody is concerned, and to also learn to vocalize it. You don't have to be like a great singer. I don't know if you've been following along these past 20 days. There's some pretty rough singing on my part. Like, I can't hit those high notes and all that stuff, and that's just the way it is, right? But we can still sing. I'm a great example of that. Somebody who sings even though it's probably not what people want to hear, but it's a great practice tool. And it's going to help us build that rhythm in our picking hand when we play these notes. So the song starts off, when the night, and then we can play that on guitar on the B string going 0, 3, 5. And this is good for making that reach, like from the boogie woogie. It all adds up, right? It's synergy. But something that I find helps me reach a bit more is when my palm is like this, it's harder to spread my fingers and reach, versus if my palm is like this, my ring finger kind of can extend way further. Like I'm extending it as far as I can right now. I rotate my hand, bam, I get like an extra fret out of it pretty much, right? So 0, 3, 5. And it's okay to have your thumb over the top in this case, because we don't need that power from our thumb, because we're just playing one note at a time, versus a chord where you're pressing multiple strings. And I'm just going to use downstrokes for this whole thing, right? When the night, and then has come is 0, 3. So let's just try that. 1, 2, 3. When the night, 2, 3, has come. And it doesn't matter how fast or slow you do this. All that matters is that you're feeling the song, you're singing it. The next part would go 1, and the land is dark. 2, 3, 4. As far as the notes are concerned, we're on the G string now, and we go 0, 2, 4, 2, 0. I'm playing the 2nd fret with my index finger, the 4th fret with my ring finger. And as far as the rhythm is concerned, 3, 4, 1. And the land is dark. 2, 3, 4, 1. And the land is dark. 2. If you have a higher voice, 4, 1. And the land is dark. So we're just going phrase by phrase. And a phrase, we're referring to a vocal phrase. You only have so much breath to speak with. When the night has come and the land is dark. Every breath is a phrase. Moving on. And the moon. So that's easy enough. On the G string, 0, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3. And the moon. 2, 3. And the moon. 2, 3. And the moon. We sound like a broken record there, just doing that little snippet over and over. But you do have to go through that when you're practicing, right? Finally, we have is the only... Oh, it's the second last phrase, actually. We're on the 4th fret of the G string. 4, 4, 2, 0. And we're just going to sing it. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 is the only 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 is the only. And you do that over and over again. And then finally, light will see 2, 2, 0. So we're gonna, try to do the whole thing. But something that can help you practice this is to play the original recording and try to sing along to it first to really capture the rhythm that the singer is singing with, that Benny King is singing with. And then once you have that rhythm inside vocally, because it's so much easier to get the rhythms speaking them, it's going to be not too bad to get your hand to copy what you can say. Anyways, let's try this now, just singing the words and matching it up with that, with the melody on guitar. 1, 2, 3, when the night, 2, 3, has come, 2, 3, 4, 1, and the land is dark, 2, 3, and the moon is the only light we'll see, 2, 3. And that's what I want you to work on, and remember, it's not about the expected outcome. It's not about being able to for sure do it. It's about trying to do it. It's the challenge, and it's facing that challenge that's going to make you better. Obviously, you want to accomplish it. We all do. We all want to reach, be able to do the things we set out to do, but we have bigger goals, and those bigger goals are what we're going to achieve simply by trying, and this is going to lead into that. That's all for today. Don't forget to grab your free copy of my ebook if you want help with all the stuff and printable things to go with. I also have my complete beginners course, which gives you that solid foundation and is going to really take a deep dive into the early phases of guitar and get you through to the point where you are able to just play your favorite songs and, go to a sing-along, play, have a good time. Please like and subscribe because we have so many more awesome lessons here. We have I think 10, 11 more lessons left. I'm not very good at math. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a fun time practicing.